traffic, Cessna 737 Sierra Juliet, clear of the active at Zulu 1, and we'll be taxiing to Park.
One, zero, clear, below, 12,000, temperature 8 Celsius, dew point -3, altimeter 3032.
Attention Millard traffic. The pilot controlled lighting is out of service. The runway lights and taxiway lights will remain on at the highest intensity Millard traffic.
Omaha, Millard Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2316 Zulu, weather, wind 310 at 6, visibility 10, clear, below 12,000, temperature 8 Celsius, dew point -3, altimeter 3032.
Attention Millard traffic. The pilot controlled lighting is out of service.
Hey Trent, are you putting Sierra Juliet up back on school route?
Yes, I am.
Try to put it up on one of the tees closer up. I'm going out next on it.
Will do.
Thanks, sir.
Millard traffic, RV80 Kilo Mike, clear the active taxi, run up area 30 Millard.